Hi, I'm Chef Samia. Welcome to Star Food. Today we are making this easy chewy double chocolate chip cookies. Perfect to be baked by you all bakers out there. So let's get started. In a bowl, pour the melted butter. Next, add the brown sugar and the regular sugar. Give it a good whisk. Then pour some vanilla essence and add one whole egg and an egg yolk. Give it a whisk until it becomes yellow pale in color. Place in a sieve, sieve the all-purpose flour, cocoa powder, baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Later, using a spatula, incorporate dry ingredients with the wet mixture. Make sure not to overmix. Once everything is combined, now let's add the chocolate chunks. Damn, this ASMR, I'm loving it. Then using the spatula, fold it over. Then clear wrap it and let it rest in the fridge for 1 hour. Once chilled, scoop out the double chocolate cookie dough on a tray. Let them bake in the preheated oven at 175 Celsius for 10 minutes. Once baked, let the double chocolate chip cookies rest in the room temperature. Now the double chocolate chip cookies are ready to be enjoyed. Look at it, it's so chewy and also so chocolatey at the same time. I hope you enjoyed my today's video. See you later on my next video as I cannot resist myself from having this double chocolate chip cookies. So bye and take care.